Serokê Meclisa Dewletên Yekbûyî in Amerîkayê Mike Johnson got ku ji destpêka şerê Îsraîlê bi Hamasê re nehvêdûçarhezar kamyonên tijî xwarin ketine Xezzeyê ku têra xwarina 2 milyon kesan ji bo 2 salan dike. Di heman demê de Hamas ji 500 milyon dolar ji dizîa da lîkariya sûd wergirtiye.
This is important to note. Israel, since this war began, has supplied over 94,000 truckloads full of food. It's enough food to feed 2 million people for 2 years, trying to get that into Gaza. But Hamas has stolen the food. A huge amount. In fact, in 2024, the numbers are that Hamas profited over $500 million in stolen food aid that was supposed to go to these poor people who needed it. That's half of their budget. So this is a broken system. The UN needs to work with Israel to make sure that the food is getting to the people that need it most. The IDF, I'm told as recently as this morning, will begin tomorrow in opening new channels of distribution to get it to those people who are desperately in need. That's Israel's intention. That's the US's intention, and the UN as well. Needed it. That's half of their